Honor is unveiling its new Honor 600 Super Edition model. It will come with an OLED touchscreen display with 6.57 inches flat screen size with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 8000 nits. Smartphone will be powered by Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset. This is a mid-range chipset with addition an octa-core CPU. RAM will be 8 and 12 GB and storage will be 256 and 512 GB. Honor 600 Super Edition camera will be dual camera setup and feature a 200 megapixel main camera and a 12 megapixel ultrawide-angle lens. Front facing camera will be 50 megapixel with an array type zoom plus color temperature sensor. Honor 600 Super Edition battery will be 8600 mAh with 80 watt fast charging support. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.